now.
Okay. What are you doing? Wait. Tell everybody what that is.
A present.
From who?
Manning.
Who's Manning?
My friend.
To your best friend? Okay. Rip it open. They got you popsicles?
What's in
No.
the box?
What is it? Okay, just open the box.
What box?
That box.
This?
Yes.
It could be something else.
Do you need...
Be careful.
Down, shoes up.
Another box.
What is that? They got you Red Bull?
No.
I'm gonna have to talk to Miss Tammy about that. What is it? Lipstick? Let me see your big smiley face. And I'm gonna text this to them.
Be careful.
Careful. What if it's breakable? Maybe it's lipstick. What does it say?
That's cute.
Oh, what do you tell them?
Thank you.
Blow them big kisses.
Handmade with love.
Hey, little kiss. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Let's put it on. See how it looks. You've been wanting one of those, huh? Do you know how to do it?
Manning has the Morlock, but it's blue.
Do you need help?
Yes.
Here, he's got it.
I think I got it.
Bring it here. This one?
It's a cute bracelet.
Mm-hmm.
Tell her I want one.
What, Cass? What, Cass?
I want one.
What do you want it to say? Butt
Cass.
wad? Ass? You want it to say ass?
Cass.
Cassie?
I
Let me
thought
see.
it was
Come here.
real
Come here.
Red Bull.
You thought it was real Red Bull? Let me see. Let's just look at your. Let's show them the bracelet. Ooh. Big smiles. Say gracias.
Bye.